Nothing but good vibes in the Jamaican camp. The athletes confirmed it, the coaches confirm it. Take a look.
Grateful. Listen, right now, pay ear in that. Pinnock, people want to know how you feel right now. One word. One word. Somebody say, where you here, Jessa? Yeah. She bad. She bad. Big up Risa. Yeah, man. And what the one word they go again? Jesus. I hate that. One word to describe the feeling in the camp right now.
Ready.
Ready? Respect that. One word, coach, to describe the feeling in the camp.
Anticipation.
Anticipation?
Yeah, man.
One word to describe the feeling in the camp.
Happy.
Happy? Yeah, man. Big up with the coaches, them.
Calm like that. How much?
Yo, one word to make them know the feeling in the camp right now. Mad is life. Yeah.
Time to step.
Time for step, right? Alright, let's go. What it say?
You post the video you post with me with Scott, eh?
Scott, eh? Yeah. What's going on, mate? One word to describe the feeling in the camp.
Great.
Great. Alright, may I send this to Team Jamaica Observer? Yeah. Alright. That's your pal right there? Alright.
You done missed the vlog.
No, man, the vlog there.
I appreciate that. I'm down when I go to Jamaica.
So
No.
what going to the vlog? So what going to the vlog? Alright. Yeah. Money.
I taste good.
I don't know what I call this. Vlogging in the bus.
Alright, where you get the curry?
The dream.
Who put the curry there for you?
The dream, you know? Never a dream and can't be
I only eat it in the US. No, but what?
Say you never eat curry from Jamaica.
I went Jamaica in 2011. Listen. You know Grand Pania Hotel? In
Montego Bay.
The food was real proper. The stew chicken proper. The barbecue chicken proper. The curry proper. Curry goat proper. Oxtail proper. But we curry more proper. We curry more proper. No. Yeah. Damn. No.
I dream that, man. The dream. You don't know. The legend himself, yo.
Like, honestly, because we and Jamaica got this, different time zone. My dad called me at 3 a.m. this time. I'm like, you're not sleeping? And I'm be like, don't worry about that, man. We can't wait for the big results. So, just that really gave me the motivation to really, because honestly, I'm locked in. I'm telling you, I'm locked in.
But when you got boosting like that, probably some other people would find it as pressure, but you don't. How do you take it?
Honestly, it's just to stay calm. Listen. I mean, once my dad